Hi everyone, my name is Peter Pikalski. Today we'll continue building financial model of a brick factory from scratch. Um, at the previous video, we've created a sales plan, but this sales plan is detailed by brick types. The story is that we are selling bricks not by their types, but we are selling bricks. We have different types of customers. We may have different prices for different types of customers, and we also may have different types of payments um, from different. We may have different prices. We may have different way they pay us. So that's why we have to create some algorithm for generating the revenue. So this video will be devoted, we will start creating a revenue generating algorithm in this video and continue with this in the next videos. So if you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends. Also, you can order a financial model from scratch for your unique business idea. We can help you with that. So let's start. So pricing and payments. Pricing and payments. Let's name this block of inputs this way. So for example, we have brick name number 1, and inside this brick type number 1 we have 5 types of customers. Customer type 1, so I'll do like this. Format cells, alignment, center. Okay, so inside this brick type 1 we have customer number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and inside each customer we have different types of payments. For example, first month, second month, third month. First of all, we have to allocate the percentages of bricks between these types of customers. So we have this amount of bricks sold, and we have to allocate this amount of bricks between these 5 types of customers. So we'll just, here will be the inputs, these will be the percentages format inputs. For example, we will sell 5% of brick type brick type 1 to the customer type 1, 15% of brick number 2 type 2, 50% here. Here we will create the total. This will be the total. This will be total. Format cells, alignment, center, okay. Then 12 and 18. So some conditional formatting. We'll do it like this. new rule. Then we will use fill will be green because we allocated 100% of bricks. Font will be black. Okay. So if we have here 4 or 6, this will give us a mistake. If we have 5, everything will be alright. So these are the percentages. Then we should describe the way they are going to pay us. Total percentage allocated. Total percentages allocated. Percentage allocation. Customer type. Customer type. Insert. I was creating it here, let's just move it to the left. So now we will now we have to describe how these customers are going to pay us. For example, if we sell them our bricks this month, so this will be the inputs. This will be the inputs. This will be the percentage format. So for the first type of customer, he will pay us 100% this month. So we sold him this month our bricks, and he this month paid us the money. So this is the first type of customer. Another customer, for example, we sold them bricks this month and he paid us 50% this month, and he will pay us 50% next month. The third type of customer will pay us nothing this month and 100% next month for what we sold him this month. Customer number 4, for example, will pay us 20, 50, 30. 5, 90, for example. Here we will create total percentage of payment. Then total percentage. So we will also use a conditional formatting for this cell. this cell equals to 1, then the format will be green. This means that we allocated 100% of payment. So for example 4, 6, 5, and the next story will be price dollar per brick. So we may have different prices for this brick for different customers, because for example if they pay us this algorithm, this will be, for example, the price will be higher or lower. It doesn't, so it may depend on the way they pay us and depending on the volume that we are selling to them. So percent of volume so the price will be, for example, so the price will be $2 for this customer. It can be like this, for example. Well, let's leave the formula here. So these are the inputs, price per brick. Then we will add some coefficients. We will add coefficient customer coefficient with the price. If we want to play with these numbers, so the basic coefficient will be 100%. So this is the basic coefficient. Then we may add coefficient for brick, brick coefficient. So this will be one coefficient for all of them. So if we want to play and, we will use additional coefficient for all the prices for our factory. General pricing coefficient. General pricing coefficient. We are deleting this cell. Final price dollar per brick. So we are taking this price, multiply this, multiply this. We are freezing this cell, and we are freezing this cell. By the way, we can, if we want to copy this block for the brick name number 2, we may do the following. We can K51 we may take this way, enter, we will find this one, so now we can easily play with these coefficients when we will see the final cash flow statement, the final payback period diagram. We can copy this table for the brick number 2. Example 40, 50, then what else, 90, so the formula works correctly. And now we'll be doing the same exercise for all 10 brick types and create the table for pricing for our other brick types. So now let's simply copy the brick type and multiply it 8 times. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. So now we've created the table with pricing. We created the inputs of allocation of percentages of bricks sold for each type of type of customer. We created the inputs describing how each type of customer will pay us, the algorithm. We created the pricing block, the coefficient block to make us easily play with all the pricing. For example, if we want to, cut prices to 50, here they are. We can, for example, go back. We can play with specific numbers for just brick number 1, or we can play with pricing for customer number 3, and so on. So this is very easy algorithm. When you are done with cash flow statement, you can easily play with all these coefficients without manual adjustment of this data, this data, and so on. So you can easily create numerous amount of scenarios. So next video will be devoted to allocation of these data. Inside the timelines we have the sales plan, and now we have to allocate this amount of bricks among these customers, and assign them pricing and so on. So if you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends. Also, you can order a financial model from scratch for your unique business idea. We can help you with that. So see you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.